up, guys? Mike G with the MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right to it. Let's get on the phone and let's call, let's see, the NHTSA. The number's 1-888-327-4236. Let's call them up. From what I'm hearing, they are the people that push recalls for automakers, that things that need to be recalled that are not recalled. These people are the people that do this. Now, when I was on the phone yesterday with FCA, the representative almost kind of gave me the green light, like, you should complain about this. You should make a complaint. If you listen to that video, those words came out of her mouth, so she works for the company. I guess it's something they're used to and they can care less about. If there is a recall that needs to be addressed or there should be a recall, these people, the number she gave me, NHTSA, I think it's National Highway Traffic Association, I forget what the S stands for. In that video, just check it out, the one from yesterday. I'm about to get on the phone right now. Miss MDG and I, today is Saturday. Hopefully they pick up. That's another thing. I don't know if they're even gonna pick up today. We'll see right now. And tomorrow's Sunday, so I want to get this done today. And then Monday is my birthday, and then Tuesday, back to business. I'll be going to the dealership. All right, so 1-888-327-4236. Hopefully they pick up. Today is Saturday. Let's just hope they pick up.
Thank you for calling the Department of Transportation Vehicle Safety Hotline. For English, press 1. Para español, oprime número 2. If you are calling to determine whether your vehicle is a part of a recall, you may check your vehicle identification number, VIN, at www.nhtsa.gov for any open recalls. NHTSA is demanding a national recall of vehicles with certain driver's side frontal airbags made by Takata. We are working to identify all vehicles involved in the recall. Please continue to check www.nhtsa.gov for any updates. If you have received a settlement letter in the mail for airbags, please call TK Holdings at 833-619-7579 or 920-238-6810. Our offices are closed. Please call back Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, or you may visit our website at www.
All right, I knew it. So they're closed. Saturdays, Sundays, I knew that. I had a feeling this was going to happen. So looks like I will not be able to get this done today, but definitely I want to show you guys. I tried. Today is Saturday, the 21st, September 21st. You guys will be seeing this video today. I'll go upstairs. Ms. MDG is doing breakfast right now, so let me just go upstairs, see what she's doing, and try to complete this vlog. She probably wants to go to a movie later on. She's saying it's my birthday weekend, so I guess she's treating me for all these things today, tomorrow, and Monday, because my birthday is actually Monday, so I guess I got 3 days of just enjoyment. But we'll go back upstairs, and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. All right, guys, but before we go upstairs, let's just check out some of the comments on this video, or last night's video. And here's what FCA had to say about the Dodge Charger door panel problem. And a lot of my guys did reach out again. This video is also getting an overwhelming response, which I appreciate. I'm hearing that there's also some Hellcats. JG Scat Pack 392 says, I'm glad it didn't happen to me yet. Hopefully it never will. It should at least be a TSB, Technical Service Bulletin. And I actually agree with that 100%. I've had some people write to me that, I think 2 people, that they actually have Hellcats and they had the problem. I was thinking, here it is, 2016 Hellcat Charger passenger side door panel peeled up. All right, this is K-Wheel 79. So here is I think this is the second person with a Hellcat right here that has the problem. We were thinking the Hellcats were in the clear, but I guess they're not. And I saw somebody else with a Hellcat that said they had the problem also. So definitely an issue with Hellcats also. It may not be as prevalent as the others, but it is definitely a problem with Hellcats. You guys got to check these comments out if you haven't already. The comments are pouring in. and they're still coming in from yesterday's upload. So anyways, guys, let me know also on this video any other problems you guys are having, and we will stick together with this, and we'll definitely try to get this rolling. Looks like I'll have to call, you know, my birthday's on Monday, so maybe I'll have to call early on my birthday, or maybe Tuesday. I gotta definitely get this done, but Tuesday I gotta fly to the dealership early in the morning. So we'll definitely try to get this done. If you guys get it done before me, let me know, and we will pick back up tomorrow with another vlog. But this is just a quick update on what the progress was. As you guys saw, I tried to call and they're not open. And that is going to do it for this upload. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.